Hi, this is a short tutorial about how to set up SSL certificate in GoDaddy. In this case, I have a website that I am going to set up an SSL certificate, and the SSL certificate usually if you want to add into your website URL the HTTP instead of this HTTP colon, the SSL certificate will redirect the user from HTTP to HTTPS colon and your domain name. So, and also you will notice that there's a name here at the browser where it says not secured or not secure. So this will be replaced with padlock, a padlock example, this kind of padlock in GoDaddy. So actually we set up our WordPress website using the GoDaddy hosting, and we will also be using GoDaddy where we can go and set up our certificate. If you think where can I have my certificate, all you have to do, if you are in GoDaddy, you can click on the navigation menu, website security, and in the drop down list of links there's a secure your website with SSL certificate, and from here you can also select an option what kind of plan do you like to protect, like protect just one website or multiple website and all the subdomains. So you will have an option. Since I am living here in the Philippines, so this is a Philippine pesos currency. Alright, so now if we go back here and you think after purchasing those plans, all you have to do is click here and just click SSL certificate and you will be redirected here. Since we already have our clients purchase the certificate, all we need to do is set up this certificate. Okay, let's get started. Let's click the new certificate here. This is a 2-year subscription, and from here let's choose our domain, and in this case we have and .com, and let's go continue. Right, so to prove that we have the control of our domain, so you only need to prove control 1, so multiple options are provided for you, evidence, and let's just unselect this one. I will check this one, make a change to the website, or add a text record to the DNS. I think we might have to check either of these. Add a TXT record to DNS. So for the DNS, no worries, we will do that. Let's click continue. Okay, additional option, please choose the following options and accept the terms. Yes, I agree. Alright, what is this? Okay, let's just continue. Just set that one as a default, and let's continue. GoDaddy SHA-2, let's go and continue that one. Complete domain control, you don't need to do anything now. We'll email you if more info is needed. Okay, so I think that is it for now.